Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can sign up for Vimeo. Vimeo is an video hosting, sharing and service platform which focuses on the delivery of high definition videos across a range of devices. Now to sign up you need to go to the website which is vimeo.com. After you open the website you can see an option to join. Click on join for free. Now start by typing in your first name and your last name, followed by your email address and your password. You can also join using your Google account. After you fill in this information, you can click on join with email. Next, you'll need to select the purpose of you joining Vimeo. Click on any one of them and hit continue. Again, select the option which is relevant for you and then hit submit.